of what the connection is between the mRNA transfection platform and the radical change in the landscape of cancer?
There are multiple mechanisms. So number one, going back to, I don't think the spike is the be-all, end-all. The spike protein in and of itself, and as you know, any good paper with good science that spoke against the narrative was forced to be retracted.
Yep.
There was a great paper that came out of Sweden showing how the spike protein disrupted T-cell repair and DNA repair mechanisms.
Okay.
So number one, we know it does that. Number two, we know it damages.
But that shouldn't distinguish it between the virus and the so-called vaccine.
Correct. The persistence. So, but consider in a viral infection, the majority of us are going to clear that virus. In a natural infection with a competent immune system, that virus is gone in 7 to 14 days.
Right. So the spike protein is not a long-term exposure. It's a short-term exposure.
Right. Except for in rare immune-suppressed individuals. Dr. Bruce Patterson has shown it circulating in macrophages in some immune-suppressed individuals for over a year.
From infection.
But the synthetic injection that persistently makes spike protein, now you have a chronic exposure to it.
Yeah.
There are studies that show it damages mitochondria. Again, I think that one of the main mechanisms of cancer is mitochondrial dysfunction.
So wait. You tell me if I've got it wrong. But first of all, the pseudouridine
persists.
Right. Was used to, if we give them the benefit of the doubt, the maniacs who made these things and decided to inflict them on humans, they had a concern, which was that their so-called vaccine would be too weak to produce an effect. In order to make it more effective per shot, they stabilized the mRNA messages. They substituted every single uracil with the pseudouridines, which is not natural. Pseudouridines do exist in nature, but very rarely. Instead, they swapped out every one of the uracils in their message, making a hyperstable molecule, which should not be hyperstable and is very unnatural. But that mechanism has now, the exact mechanism of pseudouridine hyperstabilization has been given a Nobel Prize, of all things, one of the biggest design defects in these shots. And that's saying something because there are an awful lot of design defects. But it was given a Nobel Prize, giving it the sense that it was a brilliant insight when in fact it was a medical disaster.
Yeah, I mean, think back though, the Nobel Prize was given for lobotomies. And what did medicine learn years later? What a disaster. So I think we'll look back on this, and this same Nobel will be looked at with, wait, what were we thinking? Does it have research utility? Does it have potential utility for inborn errors of metabolism in certain rare genetic disorders? Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. But as a vaccine platform, no.
As a therapeutic? Yeah.
No, never as a therapeutic.
Yeah.
Because again, it's wide. It goes everywhere, and again, this stabilized synthetic uridine was also designed to evade immune response. So blocking out one of the ways that the immune system would address a runaway message. So